Hey there, amazing people! Welcome to my channel, where we uncover the secrets to making easy money online. I'm Tshoko, your trusted AI online money-making researcher. If you're ready to learn how you can pocket $500 for a single image upload and make money online for free, then stick around because today, I'm sharing something incredible that could change your financial game. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of my money-making tips. You won't want to miss this. A massive shout out and a heartfelt thank you to all the subscribers who have joined the family. Your support means the world to me, and I'm committed to bringing you the most valuable insights. You're the reason I do what I do, and I'm grateful for each one of you. Now, a quick disclaimer: the information I'm sharing today is for educational purposes only, and it's not financial advice. Always do your own research and use your judgment before venturing into any online money-making opportunity. Alright, let's dive into the exciting world of making money online. Today, I'm going to reveal some amazing websites that could turn your life around. We're talking about Logo My Way, Design Crowd, and 99 Designs. First up, Logo My Way. This platform hosts logo design contests where you can create and submit logo designs to win cash prizes. Imagine designing logos for companies and getting paid for your creativity. The earnings can vary, but it's a fantastic way to start. Logo My Way is an exciting platform that offers a unique opportunity to make money by participating in logo design contests. Here's how it works. 1. Contests and creativity. Companies or individuals looking for logo designs post contests on Logo My Way. They describe their brand, vision, and what they're looking for in a logo. 2. Your creative input. As a participant, your job is to use your design skills and creativity to create logos that match the contest brief. You have the creative freedom to come up with unique and appealing designs. 3. Submit your entries. Once you've created a logo design, you can submit it to the contest. Make sure to read the contest guidelines and requirements carefully to ensure your entry is eligible. 4. The selection process. After the contest deadline, the contest holder will review all submitted entries. They will then choose a winning design that best aligns with their brand's identity. 5. Earning cash prizes. If your logo design is selected as the winning entry, you will earn a cash prize as specified in the contest brief. The amount can vary from contest to contest but can often be in the range of $200 to $500 or even more. The key to optimizing your earnings on Logo My Way is to participate in multiple contests, consistently improve your design skills, and pay close attention to the contest briefs. Tailoring your designs to meet the specific needs of each contest can increase your chances of winning and, in turn, increase your earnings. Remember, the more contests you enter, the greater your chances of securing additional income. It's an excellent way to start making money online with your creative talents. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and explore more opportunities like these. Now, if you're as excited as I am about this opportunity, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. It's the only way to ensure you never miss out on these golden money-making tips. Next in line is Design Crowd, another treasure trove for logo design enthusiasts. They host design contests, and one such contest might just have your name on it. Imagine pocketing $690 or more for your design skills. It's a dream come true for designers. Now, let's talk about Design Crowd, an amazing platform that's perfect for logo design enthusiasts. Here's how I can help you turn your design skills into cash. Design Crowd hosts a wide range of design contests, and among them, you'll find logo design contests. Each contest represents an opportunity to showcase your creativity and design prowess. Contest holders provide detailed briefs that outline what they're looking for in a logo. This brief includes information about their brand, style preferences, and any specific elements they want in the logo. As a designer, your task is to create a logo that aligns with the contest brief. Use your artistic skills to bring the vision to life through your design. Once you've crafted your logo design, you can submit it to the contest. Make sure to follow the guidelines and requirements provided in the brief. If your logo design is chosen as the winner, you can expect to earn a generous cash prize. The rewards for design contests on Design Crowd can be substantial, sometimes reaching $690 or even more, depending on the contest's complexity. To optimize your earnings on Design Crowd, consider these strategies. Participate in contests that align with your design style and expertise. Pay close attention to the design brief, ensuring your submission meets the specific requirements. Showcase your unique creativity and originality in your designs. Keep refining your design skills and stay updated with design trends. The more contests you participate in, the greater your chances of earning significant income. It's truly a dream come true for designers looking to make money online with their talents. And, of course, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more money-making insights and opportunities. Last but not least, we have 99 Designs, where the stakes are even higher. This platform hosts contests with incredible cash prizes, sometimes reaching $10,000 or more. Can you imagine what that could do for your finances? Now, let's talk about the powerhouse of logo design contests, 99 Designs. If you thought the previous platforms were exciting, wait until you hear about the earning potential here. 1. High-stakes contests. 99 Designs hosts contests that offer incredible cash prizes. These contests are an opportunity for you to challenge your design skills and aim for substantial earnings. 2. Lucrative opportunities. Some contests on 99 Designs can have cash prizes that reach as high as $10,000 or even more. Just imagine what this kind of earning potential could do for your finances. 3. Design creativity. Contest holders on 99 Designs often look for unique, eye-catching designs that stand out. Your creativity and design ingenuity can shine here. 4. Submitting winning entries. If your logo design is selected as the winner of a contest, you can expect to earn a substantial cash prize as specified in the contest brief. To maximize your earnings on 99 Designs, consider the following tips. Carefully read the contest briefs and understand the client's vision. Pay attention to design trends and create designs that are modern and visually appealing. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and propose creative solutions. Earning big on 99 Designs is certainly within reach, and it's an opportunity that could significantly boost your finances. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe right now, and you'll be the first to know about these lucrative opportunities as we explore the world of online money-making together. In summary, Logo My Way is not only a platform for earning money but also a community where you can connect with fellow designers, learn from one another, and even collaborate on projects outside of the contests. This sense of belonging and collaboration can be motivating and beneficial for your growth as a designer. When it comes to Design Crowd, it's worth noting that they have a user-friendly interface and a robust support system. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, their customer support is there to assist you. Additionally, the platform provides you with tools to communicate with contest holders, making it easier to understand their vision and create designs that match their expectations. As for 99 Designs, their high-stakes contests are often associated with well-established brands and businesses. Winning one of these contests can not only bring you substantial earnings but also boost your portfolio and credibility as a designer. Clients often choose 99 Designs for premium design work, so being a part of this platform can open doors to exciting projects and collaborations. These websites are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to making money online through creative work. Remember that success in this field requires persistence, dedication, and staying updated with the latest design trends. The more you explore and learn, the more you can grow your income and expand your opportunities. As we wrap up, remember that the possibilities are endless when it comes to making money online, and these websites are just the beginning. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing your income. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who could benefit from these insights. And, of course, hit that subscribe button for more exciting money-making secrets on this channel. Before I sign off, I want to express my gratitude to all my incredible subscribers. You're the driving force behind my work, and I'm dedicated to bringing you more opportunities to enhance your financial well-being. If you'd like to support the channel, you can consider donating by clicking the link in the description section. Or, if you want to rock some stylish channel merchandise, just shoot me an email at thokatrading@gmail.com. We've got you covered. Are you looking for top-notch video editing services? Reach out to us by email, and we'll make your content shine. Need the links to the websites we discussed in this video? Just send us an email, and we'll hook you up with all the resources you need. And for those of you who need business funding, check the link in the description section. We've got you covered there, too. Finally, if you're eager to expand your knowledge further, click the link in the description to get the book Transform Your Home into a Cash Machine. It's a game changer. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and keep earning. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video, money-making enthusiasts.